Hi, this is Michael, the founder of Statement Zen, and today I'm going to show you how you can save 80% of your time doing vendor reconciliations on any ERP. And today we're going to show you how it works with Vista by Viewpoint. So with Vista by Viewpoint, instead of doing an integration or trying to do an API or contacting your IT department, you can simply go to Accounts Payable Reports, click on AP Transactions by Vendor, put the date range that you're trying to reconcile against. In this case, I'm going to pick 0925 to 1125. I'm going to export that to a PDF file. Once that's exported, we're going to go into Statement Zen. Under here, it's really simple. You're going to import AP transactions and you would pick the file to upload. Once it's uploaded, you go into our Statement Center, and we've already uploaded a Vista by Viewpoint AP transactions report. So let's have a look at one we've done before. So if I scroll across, I'm going to pick this one where we haven't matched it yet. Actually, before I show you that, let's click here. You can see we're using a imported file and not our native imports. And you can see it's extracted the vendors directly from the PDF file. So you upload your PDF and your Excel files, you select the vendor, and then it knows what to match against. Once it's done that, you can see the PDF here and the extracted data here and start matching. Automatically, all the ones that match highlight up here in this section. We've got potentially matched ones here, and any differences are highlighted. We can see duplicate invoices and items that don't match. If you're interested in helping us speed up your vendor reconciliation process, I'd love to hear from you and show you a demo on your own data in Vista. Thank you.